Hey everyone, said at Are You Cars. Today we've got this 2016 66 registered Skoda Octavia. It's a VRS model, 2 litre TDI 184 with the 6-speed manual box. It's finished in candy white, 84,000 miles, 6 services, with the black pack, looking the part, very, very, very clean throughout. It's got the gloss black Gemini wheels, the black mirrors, the black grille as you will have seen. It's got the xenon lights. All your standard VRS features, rear parking sensors, does have a detachable tow bar, your reg number there for any checks you may wish to carry out. I think you will agree, this thing is super tidy. All the tyres are good, as you'll see there. Real nice, bright car. Got the xenon lights, as you can see there. Inside, it's got the black interior. I'll show you the boot real quick. Oops, press the wrong button on the key there. Massive boot on these Octavias with the split folding rear seat. Parcel shelves there. All very clean. No spare wheel. Not that it's missing, but it doesn't come with one. Detachable tow bars there if you require it. The black VRS interior with the contrasting red stitch and highlights, including the VRS logos, with Isofix, rear electric windows and rear armrest. And in the front it has the VRS tombstone style seats. Again, all in nice condition, very clean and tidy, with minimal wear. Your 3-spoke steering wheel, electric windows, mirrors, auto lights and wipers. Cruise control. It's done 84,725 miles, and I will just start the car now for you. You'll see there are no warnings or anything. All your lights illuminate and go out as they should, as you see there. Oil temperature is obviously cold, it's just started. In the centre we've got your navigation media with your DAB radio, AM, FM, media, which has Bluetooth audio, as you can see there. Bluetooth telephone, your navigation. Oh, we may have the doesn't look like we've got the SD card for that. I will check in the office. Oh, trying to check whilst doing the video, but it has got nav, albeit we don't have the media, and it has got SmartLink, so you get your CarPlay etc. via USB. We've got dual climate control, your VRS modes, so you can choose sport, normal, eco, etc. 6-speed manual box, all in very nice condition in the centre, with your twin cup holders and your genuine Skoda accessory part of the SmartLink pack to put your phone in. A bit of storage under the armrest, auto dipping mirrors, sunglasses holder, and yeah, an all-round really nice thing. Get involved, give us a call, 01509 267 111. Finance is available. We work with a number of brokers and lenders to get you the best deal that we can. Just watching.